Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to our countdown to release day. So we have 2 more days to release day, and today I'm going to share the ephemera and create a card with it. So I shared the paper pad yesterday in this beautiful sunflower bees paper pad. We are going to combine the coordinating ephemera today. So I'd like to go through each ephemera so you could see. So I'd like to dump out all the ephemera and show you what comes in this kit. So we've got some beautiful images. Look at these gorgeous girls. So we've got them in different hairstyles, different skin tones. They are just gorgeous. They are on bicycles, and there's some in different sizes here. We've got beautiful sunflowers. So we've got a very large one. We've got a cluster with a bumblebee. We've got some smaller ones. Here's a front-facing one. We've got some sunflowers in some vases and a water pitcher. Here's another smaller one. We've got a variety of bumblebees. We've got some beehives. There's a very large one, a smaller one, and then one on a stand. Here's another picture with the sunflowers and some more bumblebees. Those are some bigger ones there. We've got some pots of honey. We've got a swing. So a nice place to lounge right there with some pillows and a throw. We've got a window. We've got these really pretty white and blue flowers. We've got some sentiments. Be sweet. We've got honey. 3 of those. We've got one that says believe in yourself. We've got one that says kind. We've got a patio set. There's another blue flower, another bumblebee, and one that says bloom. So really beautiful collection. I love that the artist included a variety of skin tones and hairstyles. So we're going to make a couple of mini slimline cards today. Our release for this box is June 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. We will be having a hop that day, so there'll be lots of inspiration. There's also a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby by simply hopping to each person in the hop, leaving a comment, and then going to my Rafflecopter link and entering into the giveaway. For my slimline cards here, I have 2 different card bases. One is just a little bit smaller than the other. So I found if I cut down my sheet of paper, I could get 2 of these, and the measure's at 5.5 long by 3 1/4 wide. So this one that I did is a little bit larger here. We've got 5 3/4 by 3 1/4. So I did this size to match the Cat Scrumpiness torn paper edge mini slimline die, so I could have a nice little white frame around it. And then this one I'm just going to cut my pattern paper down. So I want to get the most out of my cardstock here. So since this measures 11 inches long, I want to cut it in half. So we're going to cut it in half by 5.5 here. So this is going to be the longer part of our mini slimline card, and I am going to cut this at 6.5. And then we're going to score it at 3.25. Okay, so now I can get 2 slimline cards out of this cardstock. So I'm going to cut the second panel here down to 6.5 and score it at 3.25. So I might want to think about what images I want to use before I pick out the pattern paper. And then I can pick out something that will go with it. So we'll see what looks good on the size. Oh, I like this. That looks good for my sentiments. So now for this one, let's see, what do we want to do? We could do the honey sentiment. I like that, or the be sweet with some flowers. We'll do be sweet with a little bee flying around. We'll be kind and maybe have another little bee flying around. Maybe a sunflower over here and a bumblebee. Okay, so I got an idea. We can pick out some patterns that is going to go nice. This paper pad is gorgeous. Kind of like that. That is really pretty. I think that would go really nice with this. Okay, so I'm going to be back with what I picked. Got all my pieces cut out, and I just cut out my panels a 1/4 inch shorter so there's a nice white frame around. And I'm just going to glue down everything, pop up my images. If this is the first time you're hearing of our monthly boxes, welcome. Every month we share some sneak peeks on our Instagram page. Right now I'm starting to do a countdown until release day. So I'm going to do this every month. We're going to do 5 days countdown until release day, and release day is always on the 1st. We have a YouTube hop on the 1st, sharing loads of inspiration, so you get lots of ideas on how to use the contents in this box. You can sign up for our monthly subscription. There'll be a drop-down menu that says monthly. When you choose that, you'll get your box every 30 days until you cancel. And it is just packed full of goodness. There's paper pads, coordinating ephemera, stamp sets. Sometimes there's a sequence mix or a stencil. And every month you'll get inspiration. You'll get the 5% discount when you sign up monthly, and I do ship the boxes priority mail. Now, if you wanted to add on another subscription, just contact me through email and I can manually add say the paper pad club subscription or the stamp of the month subscription. That way you just pay one shipping fee. So it is really, really fun, and I know a lot of my customers are very excited about these boxes. So I can't wait for you to get your hands on one and share with us. We love seeing what you create with the boxes. You can always hashtag us at Not Too Shabby Shop. Okay, I have all my cards assembled and now I want to add some finishing touches. So in your box this June, you're going to get a pack of This Calls for Confetti, an exclusive mix created for Not Too Shabby. And there is this one, or you're going to get this one. Now they're both beautiful and they both match the box. You just won't know which one you're going to get. It's going to be a surprise. But today I'm going to use this one because I did use the other one in the previous peek. And you just cut off the top of your bag so you can open up a little pouch. So I just dumped that out so you could see all that goodness. I love this little piece here. That is just so cute. There's some bees and flowers in here and it just matches so perfect. So I want to spread out just a bunch of embellishments. Definitely want to make some shaker cards with these mixes. Okay, so that's gonna finish our cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and I can't wait to see what you guys create with the brand new box. The release date is June 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Just super fun. Don't be afraid to add like glossy accents to your ephemera or glitter. That's always fun to dress them up as well. So take care and I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of peeks.